Hello, 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 YouTube family. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Thanks for joining me in another video. I hope all is well, and thanks for the continued support. So imagine this, combining two passions, your passion for people and your passion for travel. We are going to talk about an exciting career path which combines the two. Picture this, an assistant living administrator, someone who leads a team responsible for upholding rules and regulations and the well-being of their residents. With a twist, they are not tied to one location. They move from one facility to another on a temporary basis. They are called travel assistant living administrators. So in this video, we're going to dive deeper into the responsibilities qualifications of a travel assistant living administrator. But before we do that, if you did not already know, I'm a third generation caregiver. I operate my family owned and operated assisted living and family care home businesses here in the state of North Carolina. And we own the oldest family care home here in North Carolina. I am a North Carolina licensed preceptor where I help individuals become assistant living administrators. So again, in this video, we're going to talk more about the role of a travel assistant living administrator. Picture this, I want to visit Hawaii. Picture this, I want to go to Key West. I want to visit New York. Yes, you can visit those places as a travel assistant living administrator. That's a win-win. You work and you play. So again, in this video, we're going to talk more about some of the duties, roles, and qualifications of a travel assistant living administrator. You know how we do it here. Let's share the screen and let's go. And we are back, YouTube family. Let's dive into some of the benefits of becoming a travel assistant living administrator. Now remember, this role is gaining popularity in the healthcare industry, especially as facilities need experienced leadership for various reasons. That may include opening new communities, covering for administrators on leave, or providing specialized support during transitions. So let's go into some of the benefits of becoming a travel assistant living administrator. It offers a variety of challenges. You will obtain diverse experience. You'll work with different teams, resident populations, and facility cultures. These keeps things fresh and constantly expands your skill sets. Also, problem solving. You will tackle unique challenges at each location, from staffing solutions to resident engagement. They say if you like puzzles, then this is the career for you. 2, travel and exploring. You get a chance to see new places. And this is obvious. However, you can experience different cities and regions, often with your accommodation and travel expenses covered. Think of it as a paid working vacation. Win-win. Flexibility. Often your assignments are temporary. Many agencies or companies that employ travel administrators offer some flexibility in choosing your next destination or assignment length. Number 3, impact and growth. You make a real difference in people's lives. You'll step into communities and provide crucial leadership, ensuring residents receive the best possible care during their crucial, critical times. Your impact is immediate and significant. That is why we become administrators in the first place. Also, accelerated career growth. The exposure to diverse operational models and management styles will supercharge your professional development. You will become a well-rounded and highly sought-after leader. Also, you have competitive compensation here. Due to the specialized nature and the travel commitment, compensation for travel administrators is often very attractive. So here are some of the benefits of becoming a travel assistant living administrator. Okay, YouTube family, so you're convinced this sounds amazing. But what does it take to become a successful travel assisted living administrator? So let's talk about some of the skills and qualifications. Number 1, strong leadership and management skills. You'll be stepping into an existing team and need to quickly establish rapport, provide clear direction, and maintain high standards. Very, very important. Number 2, deep understanding of assisted living operations and regulation. You need to know the ins and outs of the state, federal regulations, resident care standards, staffing, budgeting, and marketing specifically to assisted living. Number 3, adaptability. You'll be in a new environment constantly. Being able to quickly adjust to new teams, systems, and challenges is very important. You also need to be a self-starter and be able to work independently. Number 4, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You'll interact with residents, families, staff, and vendors. Clear and effective communication is key to building trust and fostering a positive environment. Now, in terms of formal qualifications, typically you need a bachelor's degree, often in healthcare administration, business management, or a related field. 2, administrator's license. This is crucial. Each state has its own licensing guidelines and requirements for assisted living administrators, and you'll need to be either licensed in that state you're working in or be able to quickly obtain a license for that state. 3, prior experience. Several years of experience in assisted living management and leadership is usually required. Now, here are some of the skill sets and qualifications of a travel assisted living administrator. Okay, YouTube family, now that we have more information on some of the skills and qualifications, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of becoming a travel assisted living administrator? So how can you start preparing and finding opportunity? Number 1, gain experience. If you're not already in an administrative role, work towards it. Start as an assistant administrator or a department head or a director of nursing in an assisted living facility. Number 2, get licensed. Research your state's specific licensing requirements and pursue your assisted living administrator license. Some states have specific education or internship requirements. Number 3, network. Connect with other administrators, attend industry conferences, and join professional organizations. You'll never know where your next opportunity will come from. Number 4, look for opportunities with specialized staffing agencies. Many agencies focus on specifically placing interim or travel healthcare administrators. This is often the easiest way to find travel roles. Large assisted living chains, some larger organizations have internal float pools or teams of administrators who move between their community. Also check with direct job boards. Keep an eye on your job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, and other specialized healthcare job sites. So again, here is how you can get started in becoming a travel assisted living administrator. There you have it, YouTube family, how you can become a travel assisted living administrator. I hope you received some value from this video. If you like taking care of seniors and exploring, this is the career path for you. Again, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. I appreciate the continued support. As always, thank you. And until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye for now.